Today, us two morons are going to be trying to play Animal Company. Now that we've got all our stuff, we're ready to go to the sewers.
We're going to sewers? It's me, Mario.
Oh crap. Let's give you like a new series. We think like, if it gets like enough views, it's gonna become a new series. Huh?
You're really trying to not, bro.
We don't need to kill
You're
everything. We don't need to kill everything. No, bro, collect the loot.
Yo, I just saw something rare. I need it.
Bottle flip.
Oh, come
Bottle
here.
flip.
I'm gonna eat it for dinner.
Bottle flip.
Last shot?
Bottle flip.
How are you still alive?
Oh my god! I'm gonna kill. Why do you want whole turkey?
Pipe cleaner.
Is that red like clean pipe?
Pipe cleaner, pipe cleaner, pipe cleaner, pipe cleaner.
What the hell are you doing? You want a Coca-Cola? Do you want a Coca-Cola? I bet you want the Coca. Bet you want the Coca-Cola.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Tickle, tickle. Okay. Get out. Oh. Bottle flip. Bottle flip.
Hot bottle flip with a plunger.
Ow, my god.
Yo, he came over here.
Drive.
And I want to explode something.
Oh, look. Oh. Drop. Oh, come on, let's go.
It's alright. I had the right button.
Oh.
Your aim absolutely sucks.
Back to where we died. Yeah, boy. No, it's not bad. Mechanite! Almost like the
Help me, Chibi! Chibi!
Drop.
What's the matter?
That's my umbrella. No, my umbrella.
I'm so scared, baby.
You think you're way back?
Kaboom! Boom, shakalak, boom, shakalak.
Oh, let's just fell. Give me that. Look, imagine going for such a spell. That'd be fun. But not fun for us. Not funny for the content, not for us. Because we get cooked. Umbrella! Yo, bro, catch and keep it. Ready, bro? Catch you, keep it. Ready?
You idiot!
Wee. Ow. Oh, wow. Sorry, if I missed it. If I missed it, I was about to rage. Why are the pictures just coming out of the wall? Hey, bro? I'm crazy.
Just don't make contact of whatever you see.
Bro?
Just don't.
I'm crazy.
Yo, what happened?
I'm crazy at this game, bro. I'm crazy. I just crushed it so hard. Okay.
Dude, the big thing's right there, bro.
Wait, what? Where did this gold come from? Oh, this big moment. Okay, like you can find me. Okay, big hairy boy's over there.
But stop pushing the wall, damn it.
Bro, I know where he is. Here we go. Look.
No!
Okay, ready? This better be a good bottle flip. Ready? Bottle flip! Ready, guys? Hold on, hold on.
Oh.
Look how perfect that bottle flip looks. It landed on the wall! Yes. Ow! Yeah, bottle flip. Okay. Give me them. Let's go. Oh, them research points.
I'm clutching, bro.
Your mum.
Yo, help!
I found the exit.
Where are you?
At the exit.
The goofball turned to gold. I died.
Okay, he's dead. So guys, he's died. Now I don't know what to do other than win this boy. Okay, you're not ready for this, bud. Oh crap. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you watch all my other videos and remember to like, subscribe. See you in the next one.